Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create cartoon animation for kids with AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to prepare the application and also the platform that you need to create the cartoon animation video. And you will need Google AI Studio to generate a video with AI, and then you will need 11 Labs, and we're going to use the 11 Labs to create voice or to generate a voice. And then you will need a video editor such as CapCut, or you can use any other video editor. Okay, and the first one, I'm going to generate the video. You can describe your video here, and I have already created the prompt. Actually, I asked ChatGPT to make a prompt for me, and then I'm just going to paste the prompt here. Okay, and we just need to wait for a moment until the video is generated by the AI. Okay guys, the video is ready, and I'm going to play it to show you the result. Okay, that's so cool. And then you're going to click on this icon if you want to download the video. Okay, now the video has been downloaded, and the next one, I'm going to create narration with 11 Labs, and we're going to generate narration. I'm going to select text to speech. Okay, and for the narration, I'm going to copy the narration I have created with ChatGPT. Okay, and I'm going to paste it here, and then we can click on generate speech. But before it, you can choose the voice here. Okay, and for the voice, I'm just going to choose this one, and then we can click on generate speech. Okay, and just hold on guys.
This is our beautiful planet Earth.
Okay, the voice is ready.
And happy animals. Everything is peaceful.
And I'm going to download the voice. And then we're going to go to the CapCut, and we're going to import the video we have just created with AI. Okay, and I'm going to import the voice as well. Okay, the video and the audio have been imported to CapCut, and then I'm going to play it.
This is our beautiful planet Earth.
Okay, and to make your video more captivating, I recommend you to add background music. For the background music, you can use background music from CapCut, or you can import your own music, or actually you can ask AI to generate music for you. But here I'm just going to select background music from CapCut. Okay, and for the music, I'm going to search here, music for kids. No copyright. Okay, and I'm going to choose music here. Okay, and I'm going to cut the music. And for the volume, I'm going to make it lower. Okay, and let's play it.
This is our beautiful planet.
Okay guys, and that's all the way to create cartoon animation for kids with AI. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!